a short story about the power of unity and cooperation in the depths of a dense African forest. A scientist conducted a unique experiment with children from a primitive tribe called Xhosa. The scientist placed a basket full of delicious fruits next to the trunk of a massive tree, then told the tribal children the first one to reach the tree will get the entire basket, when he gave them the signal to start. The scientist was surprised to see the children holding each other's hands and advancing together toward the tree. Upon reaching it, they sat in a circle around the basket and began carefully dividing the fruit among themselves, ensuring each child received their fair share. Their laughter and smiles filled the forest as they shared the fruit as if they were one family. Astonished by the children's behavior, the scientist asked in wonder, "Why didn't each of you race to get the basket for yourself?" They responded, "Ubuntu. How can one of us be happy while others are sad?" In the culture of the Xhosa tribe, the word Ubuntu means I am because we are. At that moment, the scientist realized that this primitive tribe understood the secret to happiness that many advanced civilizations miss. True happiness is only real when shared. In our modern world, people often seek happiness in wealth, power, and personal achievements. But this story reminds us that the essence of true happiness lies in solidarity, sharing, and giving. The secret to lasting happiness is found in the word we, not in the word I. As the wisdom of these children shows, everything may diminish when divided between two, except happiness. It increases and multiplies when we share it with others.